I'm Mulgannon. This is my vlog. I'm at a bird observatory. No, I'm sorry. A bird sanctuary on the way to the observatory. Griffith Observatory. Oh, look at the scenery. That's nice. Kind of quiet. It's a bird sanctuary, but I see very little birds. Of course, then again, it's like 3 or 4, so that could be the reason. Look, watch. It's like an action camera. Oh, I'm a birdie. Tweet. Oh. Yeah, I know. I'm a dork. Oh. But at least you get to see a nice scenery. Look at that tree. Okay, now look at me. Now back at the tree. Okay, now back at me. You know what that's from? Comment below. What? It's an invisible river. You can't see the water because it's invisible. That's what makes it an invisible river. So, yeah, just doing some walking about. Look, closely. That's a trash can. At its natural habitat. Very natural for a trash can to be there. You don't want to move too fast, you might startle them. Yeah, trash cans get very startled, so you have to move very close, quietly, and very slowly. Otherwise, they'll startle them. But back to the invisible river. There's a bird somewhere. Actually, the sanctuary is just for one bird. Yep. It's like, it's my tweet. I think so. Huh? Back. I bet it's really shaky when I move. Yeah, I can see it moving shaky. Cell phone camera. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, wait. Top of the range. Alright, good. There's no bird strolls. You always have to see first if there's a bird stroll. So when I drive up to the observatory, continue there. Otherwise,